According to me, the companies, first of all, they should move away from the attitude of being a benefactor in the supply chain. I think because they think that it is because of them that the workers are getting job and getting paid. Otherwise, they would be earning a pittance in the farm or in the village. I think the first thing that is they should move away. And then second is to engage with them at every level, be it at their own supply chain as workers and employees, and also as a community who is being affected or impacted or will be impacted in future because of their behavior in the community. So these are the two things that they should be mindful of while operating in South of Asia. We have seen lately that Asian governments are very influenced by the corporates, also because the corporate power has gained more mileage and they are in a powerful position to influence the government decisions. So I think as a government role, the state role should be to ensure that everyone in their state enjoys all the rights, be it the company. I mean, the ease of doing business is fine, but then the ease of livelihood should also be equally important and not just concentrating on business. So this is something state has a very big role on ensuring the rights of the community and citizens rather than focusing only on the business side.